I'm just going to introduce something completely new to you, and probably the first one in the whole of the UK. It's a Nissan Seeker Tungsten Stealth Edition. But what's new about this one, it's got a proper built-in 2-inch lift kit, which is $19.95 plus VAT. To upgrade to that, we can do the Ranger lift kits for $7.95 because it's just a block lift, but you can't do that with a Nissan, so it's a complete suspension lift. It's about 2 days to do it as well. Look at that, looks absolutely amazing. To me, this sits better than the Ranger, but what do I know? The Ranger is the most popular, but this is stunning. Now it's $19.995 standard without the lift kit, and it's then obviously $21.950 plus VAT with a lift kit. You can lift any one of these Nissans, we can lift anything else out there as well, but this is stunning. Privacy glass front and rear, extra wide arches, tinted front lights, headlight guards, extra wide deep dish wheels. We're going to add side steps later, but the customer doesn't want them at the moment. Black stealth roll bar, stealth back lights with covers, full black pack, rear chin bar. You can have a chin bar on the front as well for $2.95. Beautiful. So impressed with our styling at the moment. It makes me proud, this. Give us a ring, Seeker Styling. We can offer 3.99 AER finance, for example, 15 grand to $299 a month. Business rates, lease purchase, part exchanges, anything. Give us a call.